Hello everyone, welcome back to our daily breakdown for XAUUSD. These are the breakdown for the trades that I took 12th of December 2022, why I took them and what I could improve on those trades. I will be analyzing them today. So yeah, as you can see, I took 4 trades, 6 trades during this session, and I took some of them were taken during the London session and some of them were taken during the New York session. Let's get right into it, why I took them and what I could have improved on those trades. So, let me show these on trading view because it will be easier. Okay, in the trading view, as you can see, I took a buy in this candle. Okay, let me put a line over here and let's look at it in the 5-minute time frame. Okay, in the 5-minute time frame, let's look why I took this trade. Okay, so this was a zone that was made during the Asian session, and uh, the new London session, it made its new low. This was the new low for the London session, and it broke above this Asian session range, and it made some form of support in this area. And as soon as I saw this, these were the formation of support and confirmation of support, and as soon as the price broke above this, I took a quick buy over here, and this was executed during the 5-minute session, 5-minute time frame. And now I took a quick buy over here. I made around 120 pips during this trade, and I closed as soon as it started rejecting from this 91 area, because there were previous zones of rejection in this area. Look at 1 2 3, there were many of this rejection during the 91 area, and I closed it as soon as it reached the 91 area. Okay, so then again I took another trade. It was taken, I think, around this candle, no, this candle probably. I took a buy over here. I took a buy around this candle. Yeah, this 320 candle. I took a buy around this candle, but I had not put my stop loss a little bit lower. I think it will only test around this 89.220, but it got a little bit lower than my area, and it stopped me out. It was a loss for me. I lost around, I don't know, 20-30 pips. Yeah, around that 3-4 pips in this area. It was not a big problem. I could have taken another buy over here or over here after the formation of support, but I was like, I will wait for it again. So yeah, as you can see, in the 15-minute I took this trade. Okay, then again, let me show you. I took 2 more bites. One was after it broke above 1790 again, and one was after it broke above the previous highs. Okay, let's look at in the 15-minute first, and then 5-minute I will show you. Okay, so the buy was executed during this candle. Okay, this candle I took another buy. I took another buy because this candle has already tested the 89 area and formed a nice support, and there was also this big wick it made. So I thought it will probably try to fill this wick at least, and as soon as there was a pullback, I took another buy after this pullback was completed, and I took a buy over somewhere over here to just fill this wick. I didn't expect it to go much more than that, and I closed as soon as it made a new high over the 1791 area. I then again took another buy in this candle at 415, because it was leaving this range, this 91 range, and I thought, yeah, if it's leaving that range, it will probably give me the nice buys over here. I took the buy over you which was this, I think this was the candle, yeah. I took a buy over this candle as soon as it broke above the range, but I think I should have waited for the closing of this candle and the pullback. I did not do that, and I also didn't have a very huge stop loss. It was around I think 10 pips, and I only took a 0.01, a very small lot in this area because I was not confident in my trade. Okay, so another trade that I took was I think it was now during the London session. The London session, all right, over here, over this zone. Okay, now let me show you that. So these were the trades that I took in the London session. We can look at it in the 5 minute. Okay, in the 5 minute. The first trade I took was a buy. It was a buy at 8 p.m. candle, I think. It was this candle. Yeah. I took a buy in. Wait. Okay. Yeah. It took a buy in this candle, 8 a.m. candle, because it was breaking below this 1789.255, and it is a really good area of contention. And since the price had already bounced from these zones, I thought it will probably give us that bounce too. So yeah, I took a buy over here in this 8 a.m. candle, and I was looking for it to reach up to the 1791 areas, and you can see that also in the uh, Dominion market. So yeah, this was the buy I took around 8 a.m. candle. I took two buys over here, because it was making a lower lows, and I I first took a buy over here, then I took another buy after it made another low, and my stop loss was here, around over here, and yeah, I closed one buy as soon as it gave me this 70 pips, around 70 pips, and I thought it was too risky to hold these buys from the high that I took, so I closed it as soon as I got that pips, and I held another buy. It was also really good. I think I should have closed above this 89 area, but the London session, this was the NYSE open candle, and the NYSE open candle did a really nasty pullback. It just broke everything in within a minute, I think. Let's look at that. Okay, yeah, this was the not this was the what, it open in the 40. I think the timing is off. Yeah, the London no, this was the NYSE session. The NYSE session, within a minute it gave us that nasty push downward, and it stopped me out. It stopped me out, and I was upset. I should have probably taken another trade in this candle, but I waited for it to broke above these previous zones, and I took another buy at at those zones. Yeah, at those zones, and I thought it was a good buy, but no, the next candle they also did a very nasty pullback, and it stopped me out again. I lost this trade over here, but I think the good candle would have it. I was also trying to counter trend the market, so I think that was a bad idea, bad decision that I made myself, and I will try to not do that in the future. Okay, this was I think Capital Hungry took a buy over somewhere over here. They made around 200 pips. That was a easy trade. Also, another trade could have executed in the 30-minute time frame, because this candle was a dodgy candle. The next candle broke below this body of these two candles, and if you saw another candle also making a bearish move, it could have been a really good sales from here, because it tested the previous area. This was the 1790 area, the previous key level. It 1 2 3 it, made three times, touched the previous key level three times, and it could not break above the area. And also, since this was a bearish dodgy candle, and the another candle was also bearish and broke below the 1787 area, it was the contention area for the New York session, and it broke below that, then we could have easily taken another buy and another sell over this area. But I failed to do that because I had already traded and lost, and I didn't want to lose more, so I just I was done for the day. Okay, that's it. That's the trade breakdown for today. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.